Hey everyone, today we're going to do a high-level overview of the Carnival Celebration. If this is a cruise ship that you were thinking about going on, or if you're looking into a variety of different cruise ships, I'm going to tell you all about the ship and what to expect on board. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, John here from Byte Size Cruises. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk all about the Carnival Celebration. I will be going on this beautiful cruise ship on January 12th of 2025. Today is January 2nd of 2025, so I'm doing this before I go on the ship. One of the things I like to do before I go on a cruise, generally speaking, since I'm going to be doing a lot of video, we're going to do a ship tour, we're going to do a review, we're going to do all the specialty dining and everything. I like to go through the structure of the ship and look at it, figure out all the little intricacies of it so that I feel more prepared before I go on the ship. So that's what I'm going to try to do for you today. I'm going to try to give you as much information as I humanly possibly can to make sure you're prepared for this ship. So let's talk about it a little bit. This is the new Carnival Celebration. It is basically a ship that celebrates the 50 years of tradition of Carnival cruising. It is named after its namesake, which was built in 1987, which was the MS Celebration. This new ship is called Carnival Celebration. Most of the ships in Carnival's fleet are called Mardi Gras, whatever the ship is. This is called the Carnival Celebration. It is the second in the Carnival Excel class, which the first ship is the Mardi Gras that we talked about. Then you have Celebration, then you have Jubilee, which we were on last year, and then you have a few more ships coming out in a few years. This ship is 183,000 gross tons, pretty big ship. This cruise ship holds 6,500 passengers at double occupancy. At single occupancy, it would hold about 2,900. That would never happen in a million years. And it has 1,745 crew members. The ship is around 1,100 feet long and has 19 decks. So this ship was ordered on November 6th of 2016, and the name was announced during the pandemic on August 21st of 2020. It features the first roller coaster on a cruise ship in the world, and this began construction in January of 2021 and was completed November 2nd of 2022. The cost of this ship was approximately $1 billion. So the godmother of this ship is a little bit of a fun story. The godmother of this ship is Cassidy Gifford. Her mother, Kathy Lee Gifford, was the godmother of the original MS Celebration. So we have a nice little tie-in there. There are 6 zones on the Excel class ships, including Celebration. Let's talk about those zones. So when you get on the cruise ship, you're going to have Carnival Celebration Central. This is the mid-ship area. This is where they do a lot of shows. There are a lot of like fun, big events that go on here. This is big fun all around you. 14-foot LED screens here, 1,400 color-changing lights on the ceiling. The Tropical bar is here, the Aquaria bar is here, and favorites like Java Blue Cafe. Bonsai Sushi is on deck 8 in this area there, Bonsai Teppanyaki, and then you have easy access to things like the Piano Bar 88 and Punchliners Comedy Club. The next zone, Zone 2, is the Gateway. This is like the international meeting spot on board the ship. It is international flavor at its best. This brings you the innovative LED windows that are changing all the time, and ceilings and crazy fun theme nights. Here you're gonna get the Latitudes Bar, the Golden Jubilee Bar, as well as Emerald's Bistro 1397, and the fan favorite Alchemy Bar, which is incredible. If you've ever been on one of these ships, or if you're going on one of these ships, check out the Alchemy Bar. It is, for my money, the best bar at sea. Next up, the third zone is the summer landing spot. This is the very back of the cruise ship. This is the greatest chill spot at sea. This is home to Guy's Pig and Anchor back there, which has a brewery, which is additional money, obviously, if you're buying drinks and stuff there. The Watering Hole and the Heroes Tribute Lounge, which is right across adjacent to Guy's Pig and Anchor. There is a little ice cream spot there as well that is included. So again, this is the aft of your ship. There are pools back there. It's a nice spot. It's a little bit off of the Lido where you can relax, get some sun, enjoy the pool, and maybe not be in all the hustle and bustle of the Lido deck. Next zone is 820 Biscayne. This is Miami at its best. The ship was built for Miami. You have Bar 820 there. You have the Deco Deli Miami Slice Pizza, and Cucina del Capitano, as well as Rudy Seagrill. So you get a little bit of specialty dining there, a little bit of included dining. It's just your hotspot that's going to give you the best of Miami. Next up is the Lido. This, of course, is the center of all attention on board Carnival ships. You have street eats there, which is included in your cruise fare. The Red Frog Tiki Bar, which is 2 levels. Guys Burgers, Big Chicken. You get the Seafood Shack, which does cost extra, Blue Iguana, and this is literally the best sail away spot on the ship to catch all of the shenanigans and the fun that goes into a Carnival cruise for your sail away parties. Last but not least, you have the Ultimate Playground Zone. This is where Bolt, the water roller coaster, is. You have Waterworks there, which is your water slides. You have Sports Square, which is going to give you a ropes course, your mini golf, and your basketball, pickleball, all of those things together. One more quick item to talk about here is the Serenity Deck, which is the very top front of the ship. This is an adults only area, so if you're just looking for a little spot to hang out, to get away from the noise, the crowds, or even the kids, this will be the perfect spot for you. I highly advise that you go check this out. So now let's talk about the food on board of Carnival Celebration. You're going to get a couple options here for specialty and a ton of options for included food. For specialty dining, you're going to have Emerald's $13.97, which is an a la carte restaurant. Just pick some things, order them, and grab some food. Rudy's Sea Grill, which is your seafood restaurant. Fahrenheit 555, which is your steakhouse. Banzai Sushi and Teppanyaki, obvious. And the Seafood Shack, which is out on the Lido deck, which has a la carte seafood all day. Next up, let's talk about the included food. You're going to get some really great options here. In addition to the Lido Buffet, which is your buffet on board, and the main dining rooms, you're going to get Cucina del Capitano, which is an Italian restaurant, Big Chicken by Shack. You're going to get Guy's Burger and Guy's Pig and Anchor, Street Eats, which changes up their menu every day, and you get the deli, and you get Miami Slice as well. So tons of places for you to grab some food and drinks, and you also get Chibang, which is Chinese Mexican fusion. On board the ship, you're gonna have a huge amount of staterooms to choose from inside that even have some spa access. You're gonna get ocean view, balcony, and of course all your suites. There is a extremely large casino on board the ship, which is one of the big things that Carnival is known for as well. They have an amazing theater with great shows and much, much more. This is just an overview of the ship. We'll be back in the next few weeks. We'll be doing vlogs every day. We'll have a full ship tour. We'll do reviews of the included food and all of the specialty dining, as well as the entertainment and everything else, full of video and all different things. If you have any questions about the celebration or you need any help booking your cruise, we would love to give you a hand. We are a travel agency. We put out a brand new video every single day about cruising. We're just trying to give you the best information possible so that you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a great day and happy cruising. Bye.